Okay, I'm really annoyed because I just did like a 25 or like 40-minute video over everything. I showed all the accounts and stuff like that, and then my fucking computer just crashed right before I could fucking close it. So I'm really, really pissed off right now, and I don't even want to do this a second time. But all right, so I'm gonna be really fucking quick now because I'm not in the mood. So all right, let's just do this really quickly. So okay, Disney moved really fucking big today. The reason was because they hit 10 million subscribers in the first day. It took way the fuck off. They were expected to hit million in the first month. They hit a third of that in the first day. Blah blah blah. God damn, I really am mad. Okay. It's all good, baby. It's all good. I'm alive. That's what counts. I'm in Walmart ER. So I should probably say I have a bunch of different little accounts. I did show that in the earlier thing. But then, like I said, this stupid piece of shit crashed on me. So I need to... I don't think I can recover that. So I'll have to do that again in a separate video. But... So also today there was negative comments from China about the U.S.'s farms, and so we actually saw a huge dip off on SPY today. So that happened around 11 o'clock, 12, 1 o'clock, whenever the report was released. Because I talked about it last week. If you looked at the economic calendar, you saw that the CPI was going to be reported today, and then the Powell was speaking, and the mortgage application. So there were different pieces of information that was coming out this week. Thursday, the same thing. We're going to get some information about the natural gas reports. So as far as natural gas is concerned, I actually played GasX, which is high-moving stock. It's kind of hard to... I wouldn't recommend playing it because its spreads are huge, but I was in it from here, like 57 to here, and I bought like 84 shares, so that was like $5,000. So that netted about like 305 because I closed it at 63 today, which is pretty good as far as, all this is concerned. I was talking about it earlier, so Amazon is quite divergent from the market because the market's been coming up for quite a bit now, but Amazon's been coming right down. So there's a lot of stuff that I talked about, and so I definitely have to recover. But as far as all of that's concerned, Amazon is going to be an interesting watch because it's diverging. I think that might be the Titan that brings down the NASDAQ and the SPY. So we'll have to see because SPY has been running for some time now. But you can just hear how annoyed I sound. I gotta stick to streaming. This is not great. So SPY's been coming up for about a while now, since October. It's up 7% roughly, and we might expect a pullback at some point. Same thing with Apple. I think Apple has been the Titan that's kind of been holding us up now, pushing us way past what we expected to be. But I think now that the month of ERs is over, starting with Walmart, which is tomorrow, which had a run-up today, so I made 100% on that, by the way. Depending on how that goes, we'll see more or less how this is all going to turn out. As far as once those are over, though, we are going to have to wait and see, because we're going to find out about... now we're going to be very headline based, so we're going to have to see what actually happens with China and things like that. And then Cisco, I'm going really fast. Cisco tanked today. They had earnings after hours. They fell back down. This is a very slow mover. Typically Cisco, it holds up about here and then comes back down. So it doesn't really move too much. But tomorrow I think we're probably going to start seeing it creep it up. So we'll probably see it recover some of this drop tomorrow. It fell down over 6%. So Cisco is a good move as far as those are concerned. BA has also been riding. Disney is a probable continuation tomorrow. I will show it later when my computer is just being less shitty. But basically, we played it a few times on a few different accounts, and those accounts were very small. 100 or like $200, 500 or $300, $400, whatever. And so there's like 5 or 6 of them, and each one of those accounts we hit like 200, 400, 100%, and that was really good. And we did take some of those accounts way up today. So that was really well executed, well seen, well done. So Disney was a very good play today, and these are the types of plays that don't come very often, but when they do, they're awesome. And so being ready to play those is really great. Like we took it up, and then once we stopped at some point, we decided to turn it into a debit spread, and we kept it up at that rate. So we're still in those, we're still in debit spreads. So hopefully that Disney will continue its continuation, and we will get to see some positive moving power there. As far as everything is concerned, the market is kind of starting to diverge, which is something that I'm liking. And, you know, we will definitely have to see. This is how Disney looks on the daily, by the way. Yeah, we'll have to see how everything kind of plays out. But we're definitely going to see, I think, some big news in the next week or two. Probably not this week because it's already Wednesday and tomorrow's Thursday. So, but yeah, I think we're going to start seeing something pretty soon. So as far as that's going, wow, the TTM worked here. That's so weird. Oh, in reference to earnings. Yeah. So yeah, sorry about how short this video is. The other one was longer, so I'll probably remake that when I'm a little bit more composed. But yeah, thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys next time.